In this video, I'm going to show you the updated ways to take a screenshot on Samsung 2023. So the first one is by pressing the volume down and the power button. So this is how you do it. The second ways is by using the assistant menu. So if you don't have this in your phone, this is how you find this assistant menu. So go ahead and go to your settings and then select accessibility and select interaction and dexterity. So once in here, just go ahead and toggle the button of the assistant menu and click allow. The assistant menu is not really visible here, but as you can see, there are options. The other option is screenshot. Just go ahead and tap that one. And there you go, you just screenshot your wallpaper. Third ways is using a palm swipe, right, going to the left, but I don't have that on my Samsung phone. But other Samsungs have this kind of application. And the last one is swipe from the edge. And there you have it. So find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.